watching her. Especially if you watch her, you see her in person. Parang namamagnet ka talaga because she always overperforms, and aside from that, aside from she's genuine also, she has this certain charm and magnet that just attracts.
So, ito na lang ang tanong ko. To cut you off there, but didiretsuhin ka na. Nung una mo makita si Kim, anong pakiramdam mo? Anong naramdaman mo? Sabi mo, oh, by the way, this is Kim. Wow. Ate, kalma.
Ako nakagawan kasi siya, so parang syempre pag ayos na ayos yung babae, nakikita mas everyone when she's on stage.
Pero alam mo, totoo yan. She really has that good aura, a very positive energy that she has in her.
One
Diba?
of a kind!
Ha?
One of a
O,
kind!
ikaw na. Ano namang masasabi mo sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik sa inyo ni Kim?
Yes, maraming salamat. I'm very grateful. I worked with him 4 years ago for Linda. It was an unexpected team up, last minute actually. The team was casted for Linda, and I'm happy that she was casted. And if you watch Linda,
See you, World Remit Fam! Hi, everybody! Thank you so much! Thank you, Redwood City! Everybody,